Welcome back to another video. So this is how I took a went long a quick scalp trade. It was a 1.42 RR, so not my best, but it's my average. So yeah, this is as in Thursday for the people in the US and Friday morning 1:54, so about 24 minutes into the market. I mean, pretty simple. And this is on a PPI, and unemployment claims. So a lot of people don't know this, and a lot of people, here's my face, and a lot of people don't teach this, right? If price doesn't align with the economic calendar, you can trade. People at NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange, they don't go, oh, whoa, red folder, unemployment claims, we're not going to trade. If they trade. If price action aligns with the economic calendar, right, get off. But in this instance, there was clear buyers on market open and distribution right off this FEG, right? So clearly we wanted to go up, So coming in on market open, first thing I realized was the 30-minute has been tapped on both NQ and ES, which is great. And then I dropped down to the lower time frames, the 2-minute, and I waited for market open on ES was right over here. And so we made a pretty big FEG on, pretty big candle on NASDAQ. And so I was initially looking at this 1 minute right here, and then we made a 2-minute, and then we made a 3-minute, right? And then in that 3-minute, we pulled back down, and then we had this big up candle, which I entered around about over here as I saw we just kept going up. I wanted to see ES, actually followed ES, the up move, because I wanted to see distribution on ES, because we have been just pretty much accumulating the whole pre-market and 8 a.m. market open, which is like technically market open, but it's not really. And then so I saw distribution, and we saw distribution here. There was a SMT between these two highs, so I traded against the SMT, but there were these 4-hour fair value gap up here that I used as a draw on liquidity. Because, if we want to go lower, we want to fill out all the liquidity to actually grab and go lower. And then on the 1 hour, I used a 50% level on this as well, as we can see. Right, good stuff, right? And then coming back down to the 2-minute, on the 1 minute, we entered, price pretty much just accumulated, and I just ended the trade over here at this 2-minute FEG being filled. You see there's a little 2-minute just because we were accumulating, and news, there's still news. It doesn't but the rule still counts. If it aligns, get off. If it doesn't align, you can still look for a trade. That's why I took a little scalp and not looking to go super wide, especially because it's Thursday. Market's getting tired out. So yeah, 2-minute. It was a 2-minute FEG right over here. We targeted that as long as, like I said, that little red zone. I actually forgot what that was called. What is it called again? Yeah, I actually forgot what it's called. But then pretty much on this pullback, we did also get equilibrium, which is great. And accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pretty simple trade. But yeah, it does look like the market wants to go down. I mean, that 2 minute was pretty much all it needed. And I mean, we took out a bunch of highs currently, so I am done for the day. But this was a quick little scalp. So I was in for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13 minutes. Yeah, I was in for about 13 minutes. So not bad. And then I did have a tight stop loss because I did not see price coming back. And I mean, I'm not trading on 1 hour. That's like blasphemy. Like honestly. So good trade, good little scalp. My stop loss was just below this. As soon as we made pretty much, because stop was here somewhere originally. And then as soon as we made this 1 minute FEG, I just put it up to about like, what is that? Maybe like a fifth of the body. So that good trade in my opinion. Not A+ setup. I mean, you could be looking for shorts right now, like a little scalp. But after that, I mean, we just took out a bunch of highs, filled in 2 minutes. And I mean, clear draw on liquidity right now for ES for a little scalp is this 2 minute. But I am done for today. I made my money. I got out. So yeah, peace.